Welcome to another Playchess Bullet Banter. Okay, hope everyone's doing fine. Let's go for a bullet game. So this is on playchess.com. So I'll play for e4 here, I believe. This will be interesting. I think I can play queen e2 and knight c4 just to try and get some dark square pressure going. Let's see. Yeah, I could take that, or I could just maybe try and castle queenside. So I'm hitting that bishop right now. Yeah, possibly. Ooh, this looks good. Oh, I can take this. Oh, there's another one. I can take. Okay, so I'll open up this bishop and I can double the rooks on the 7th rank. That pawn could be dangerous with b takes actually. Let's eliminate that. Now this looks like pretty promising. Okay. Right, safely through the first game. So some dark square pressure. So I've got this dark square grip I want to nurture. Maybe knight g4. Actually, this looks a bit weird, doesn't it? I want to discourage b4. Okay, I'm hitting the knight. I think this is about provocation at the moment because I'm actually provoking f4. Taking an f4, the one playing this. Yeah, this could be controversial. Oh, there's knight takes d6 on the cards as well. Alright, and there's also d6 break. This is a little bit of controversy in the how I'm playing this. You could take and then d6, which would justify the knight. So yeah, white's got a really quite decent position. And what's even scarier now is this diagonal. Seems quite sensitive. I've just gone in for knight c7 as well. Let's go back. Take knight c7. I've got some big issues now in the position. Whoa. Okay. I think I can only do one thing at a time. Let's hit this bishop on h5 for a moment. And he's quite quick as well. There's the clock to factor in here, of course. It's not just the board, it's the clock. Try and get some pre-moves in if possible, without getting mated, ideally. Possibly knight f7 shields h6. Yes, again I've got some problems to solve. Whoa. Rook f7 maybe? I don't think he's got that much time anyway. Okay, that was a much harder game. And I'm misting up for some reason. Let's try and demystify my glasses. Just I'm using microfiber here. I find usually is okay. It itself gets clogged up though sometimes. Okay, to cluck. Now this guy's got a faster tempo. Again, we're in level 3 it seems. Let's sack the exchange. I think I've got some compensation here, which makes the exchange interesting. Some dynamic pressure, I hope. Maybe e5 coming out, or rook h7. Oh, okay. It's not that hot, is it, at the moment? Let's avoid the exchange of queens. Shield c1 for a moment. Actually, this exchange of queens might not be that bad. If I win a centre pawn, that would be good mobile pawn centre, I believe. Incoming mobile pawn centre. If I can keep my opponent's pawns fixed, I think this is promising. Let's try and get them moving. Okay, at the moment, I'm hoping to gridlock. It's not really a great term, is it? Gridlock these pawns. It came to me. But he's slowed down here. Maybe the bishop's controlling b8 and h8. I've got a rook on the 7th. The bishops seem happy enough. He's not moving. Hello? Oh, I don't know why he didn't move. Okay. So English opening again. This is becoming a pet for these shows, because it's a semi-respectable start to the game. Whatever happens after, at least it was a sort of respectable start in a way to the game. That's what can be said about it, I think. Bang, weakness of the last move. Yeah, weakness of the last move could be deadly in bullet, especially. No grand strategy, just exploiting an issue with the last move. So e4, e5, maybe grab this center, maybe knight, centre pawn, okay. Yeah, central pawn mobility, I hope. d5 maybe coming up, bishop e3, queen f3. I guess he'll check me at some point. Oh, that's uncomfortable. And there's knight e5 as well. No. This is all wrong. This is all wrong. Oh, this is all wrong. Okay, let's give me the pawn back. This is uncomfortable, to say the least. And he's quick. This is danger. Can I take on a7? I think a7. Nope. a4, a5, b3, a4, a5 plan. This, maybe for d6 check at some point. Nope. What's going on here? Is there a check I'm not aware of? Rook e1. Alright, control that file. Bishop d4. Is bishop d4 possible? Or bishop f2. Maybe bishop f2. I've gone into a pin, haven't I? Well, there's rook e7 it's got to be aware of. I'm ahead on the clock, so I'm just going to take here. Yeah, because I'm ahead on the clock, it's just very important not to be mated. I find. Okay. It becomes more important just not to be mated sometimes on bullets. Okay, this is the bit of my pet stuff because of the dark square pressure is evidence. Switching the queen unsubtly to h5. Can I evict this rook, or is it too late? Maybe it's too late. Now, if he sacked the exchange, maybe there's not a problem. Let's kick this rook out, though. g5 f4 looks pretty dangerous. Okay, my king's in the center at the moment. Are we back? So I've tried to restart the streaming. I wonder if we're back. Okay, sorry about that. Carry on. I lost some rating points there. Whoops. Is this showing up anything on the preview anytime? Oh yes. Yeah, it's unfortunate, isn't it? When these connection issues happen on the live stream. It's a bit of a downer on the live stuff. Oh, I should have stopped G5. That was rather silly. I think I've been disturbed by the connection stuff. How am I going to defend this? This? Looks okay. I'll defend the rook. Okay, he's got Queen G6. Doesn't seem to do much. Oh, hang on. Let's stop this D-takes. Okay, try again. So bishop c5 coming out. Oh, that's interesting. Is that mouse there? That's a good point. Oh, hang on. This is not good, is it? He's going to get my bishop. My bishop's going. Oh dear. That's kind of backfired on me. Whatever happened earlier, that's kind of backfired. Back to square one. Oh, there is this pawn as well. Well, I thought knight d4 there was good. Okay. I can't really move much. Oh, that's the problem. What can I do here? It's going to have to be a time victory, I'm afraid. If it is going to be a victory. It's not going to be pretty. Play for c5. Ah. Okay. Try and keep some stuff on. No, hang on. I'm not sure what's happening here. My opponent's is got infinite time. This is the weirdest bullet. Okay, I don't know if it's my connection or something. I think there's a pre-move. It's not strict, is it? On time. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Take E5 here. Take this. My opponent seems to have a very good position indeed. Very good. The only thing, he's a bit slow, that's the only thing. Can I play C4 at some point? HG, King G2. Alright, okay. Alright, you played really well. Oh, that was aborted. Szachy. You know, perhaps I should have played H5. Can I put the bishop on G7 here? Or F4 maybe? Maybe it's not entirely bad. Try to open up this C file a little bit. Small clock advantage might mean something. Try and safeguard the king side. I think B6 is handy to keep the knight out of squares like A5. Can I reroute this? Hitting H5. Okay, now what? Now what? Indeed. If I hit D6, oh, that would have been good. Anywhere? Oh, that helps, surely. Stalemate. Oh, I managed to stalemate him. After all that, stalemate. Unbelievable. Okay. Should we have a rematch? Oh no, okay. That's, I don't think he wants on the same. Go for E5. Maybe G takes, or Queen E2, or Queen E2, Bishop C4. Or maybe Bishop C4 here is going to win the Queen. Oh, it's just blunder, mouse step. I'm not sure applause is needed for that. Okay. Now I've played this before and somehow I get good results usually, even though it's sort of like losing a pawn. Maybe here the king side's been slightly weakened. There's no, I can just go for the soft spot, it seems, quite easily. I think knight h5, knight e5. If he really wants to go in that pin, it's pretty dangerous, surely. Mind you, f6, f6, right. Okay, no, he's got a point, he's got a point. He's got a point. Uh-oh. This doesn't look good. Okay. Oh, he's going to play for e5 now. No, this is dumb. I should have played bishop h6. I realise that now. He's got knight. Okay, he had knight takes in at e5. Bishop h6 is good anyway. Right, okay, the bishop's protecting the queen. Can I just turn f6 out? Right, so e6 might be a problem. Just get this back. Yeah, this is too strong, this pawn center. I'd rather just give a bishop back here to make sure the pawns are not great. His pawns are not too brilliant there. Oh, what's going on here? Funny business. Okay, funny business there. Tango. So this is usually okay for h5, h4. Although this is happening, it's not so great. I'll stop that g4 advance. Maybe queen b6 is handy at some point. Or bishop b7. Can I put some pressure on d5, I wonder? As long as he hasn't got mobility over there. Maybe rook c8, queen b6. Right, king e7, rook c8. Rook c5. a5, b4. Oh, not there. Okay, so mind you, this pawn is a bit vulnerable over there. h5 is a bit vulnerable. Can I put a bishop on e8? Okay, this, and then double, then rooks, I think, and then b4 maybe soon. b4. Mind you, I have to use the a file now. Double on the a file. Oh, that's not so bad, surely. Get my king to c5. Okay, I was going to get my king to c5. I think there's pressure in white's position. Put the bishop over here. Okay, I'm not sure. He's not committing to castling. Oh, this could be awkward. Nice manoeuvring there. fancy manoeuvring. Queen e7, d5. e4 maybe. Okay, if I stick a knight on f4, g5, g4. Right, let's check and then g4, no, h5. Okay, it gets that knight on f5. Oh, there's bishop d6 as well. Whoa. This isn't so pleasant, is it? Bishop e7. Oh no, there isn't bishop e7. Okay. Okay, queen f5 friends. Now, is my king in big trouble? This is a bit of a concern. Otherwise, d5 is probably the way to go. Bishop b7. f5. Try and crack open this diagonal if I can. D takes and try and just crack open this diagonal. Without allowing b7, that's a bit of a concern. Click the 1 minute again. E5, D4, rookie 1, that sort of thing. There's probably a G5 here, if he's not careful. Maybe not here. Alright, seems to have got away with it. F5? Is that any good? 94. Oh, my pawn's a bit loose. Queen G3. It's got 94. F5 maybe. There's a check. Put that back. Probably take on E4 from knight G5. He's got rook E2. Oh, that's awkward. I thought it was going to be, but it seems a bit better now. Bishop C5 for bishop D4. Okay. Keeping hold of B2 here. Let's try and suppress a few of the lines. Oh. Okay, he's probably a bit panicky, huh? Bishop D4. Okay. Sometimes this is good. D5, knight E5. Right. Can I do this? Okay, that's interesting, because can I not just do this? G4 and take on D4. Just wondering about white's king safety now. Isn't that an issue? Because of queen H4. G3 maybe. That was knight F3. Castle over here. Oh, just lost the queen. Whoops. Knight F5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. This is problematic, to say the least. Okay. Oh, he could have won more material with Queen E7 just then. Okay, just saved by the bell there. It's important not to panic if something happens like that. I find if you lose your queen, just play on about it. Just try and keep a steady pulse in bullet chess, whatever happens. Because it's just chaos anyway. So I think losing the queen is fine. It's too much pressure, too much time pressure, this form of the game. So rook c1, c4. c5. Maybe just double here. Rook c5. Okay, can I put pressure on the c file? Okay, this is mating, I think. That's terminating the game. Okay, because that checkmate. Okay, trebling has its perks. Oh. Don't want to lose the queen that easily. E6, B5. Knight E7 castle. I'm going to try and grab this E5 square if it arrives with F5. Rook B8, Rook B4. Is it going to use this H file? Okay, let's not get mated too easily. Let's rook F7. Okay. Try and hold that for a moment. Oh, there's rook A2 if the knight moves. Okay. It's going to be quick, isn't it? It's going to be quick. Guaranteed. Yes, he's quicker than me. Or rather, he's able to move quicker than me. I don't know if he's actually quicker than me. Maybe that's... Jury's out, I don't know. Oh, he's not so quick here. What is he doing? What is this? He's lost 10 seconds doing something. Not sure what. Can I get form pawn at this rate? Rook left. Actually, I've just made sure rook left is not possible. Alright, is he actually trying to mate me? Okay, it wasn't that quick. I was expecting a little bit faster speed. It's very high rated. Let's accept a rematch. Oh, he's aborted. Why has he aborted this one? Oh well, let's move on then. Okay. Or make it the last game soon. So this is a coiled spring standard template plan. Which is handy for bullet chess. Right. Actually, what am I doing here? Knight d4, maybe. It's kicking me around. He's kicking me around. And it carries on. Or maybe queen d5 is interesting. Maybe not. Okay, I need some points here to make. What point am I making? My knight stranded. That seems to be the main point. Okay. Can I rescue the knight? Knight e7, maybe for rook c8. Oh no, it just loses a piece. Oh, I just lost the piece. Nuts. Let's not lose the queen that easily. Okay. Why would you want to do that? Time pressure? Oh, I've lost some time there. Let's have one rematch. I've been counting it. Didn't think it was that quick for out necessarily. B5 and Queen C7 or something. Well, it looks like a pleasant enough position at the moment. Almost win the exchange, I think. Almost. That's a bit odd. I've got quite a lot of seconds here. And it's hoping for a stalemate. Oh dear. Is he? Might be difficult. Okay. To get a stalemate. You never know. Okay. Okay, one team to another one. Queen's Indian territory. Trying to catch me unawares with the pre-move, I think. Because I wouldn't have thought that's too good, that bishop f3 there. He wanted a pre-move. Don't think this is advisable, giving up the bishop pair that easily. Oh, a2. Would he nick a2? Yes. Get this attack going over here though. H5 and rook h1 looks good. Maybe here first. I suppose he's got f6. Is there bishop g6? Well, just allow me this killer form pawn, isn't it? Even the server says yes. That sounds naughty when the server says yes. Okay. Accept a rematch again, I guess. Best of 4. I just don't think he's that quick as the first game happened. Okay. Alright, now this is, I don't know. I think bishop e5 was better, actually, yeah. But weakening the squares like that, not sure about that. Intriguing. Yeah, this is a really, I don't know what else to protect e5 there. It was a necessity move, but it seems here he's in trouble. It's bishop's on f1. I noticed just about. Okay. Okay. Oh, I wanted a rematch. Oh, it's too late. I pressed 1. Ah. Oh. That was, I did want it. He wanted another rematch, but mind you, we've played 4 times. I think rook a5 was fortunate to have, otherwise I was getting dismantled. Right, so go into this f4 square. Or knight f4, is that on the cards? Queen g4, knight f4. Queen g4, knight f4, or queen h3, knight f4. Oh, hang on. There's something up about this. Okay, I shouldn't think too long about it. Maybe just f5 plan is okay. f5. Maybe even this is a practical move just to get more pressure going with that knight on f4. Possibly, I'm taking a risk here. Just trying to collapse his diagonal, play rook g6 well. Rook g6. Can I collapse this diagonal or not? Well, there's knight h3 for rook g1. I don't think the queen can defend g1 here. Queen e3 f4. Okay, just one more. I think this would be last game. So queen's in Indian territory. D5 is encouraged. What's the pawn? Okay. Okay, it's probably okay for a bullet game. That's better. I got skewer, haven't I? I was thinking about h7 as well, but I got this nice skewer here. Maybe taking her. Take this one. Oh, hang on. That's not nice, is it? Oh, no. Why don't I at least take on c5? Okay, pre-moving is important soon. Very important pre-moving in bullet, very important skill. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, another time. Thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed it a bit. See you next week. Thanks so much.